Z transform and applications. Introduction to Z transform. In mathematics and signal processing, the Z transform converts a discrete time signal, which is a consequence of a real or complex numbers, into a complex frequency domain representation. It can be considered as a discrete time equivalent of Laplace transform. This similarity is explored in the theory of time-scale calculus. Bilateral Z transform. A bilateral of a two-sided Z transform of the discrete time signal x in bracket n is a formal power series in x defined as this, where n is an integer and z is a general or complex number, where a is the magnitude of z, j is the imaginary unit, and omega is the complex argument, also referred as angle or phase in the radians. Alternatively, in the cases where Zn is the defined for n greater or equal to 0, a single-sided and unilateral Z transform defined as this. In signal processing, this definition can be used to evaluate a Z transform impulse unit response of a discrete time calculus systems. An important example of a unilateral Z transform is the probability generating function, where the component z x bracket n is a probability that a discrete random variable takes the value n, and the function z is usually written as x in terms of s is equal to x raised to minus power 1. The property of Z transform below are useful interpretation concept of probability theory. Inverse Z transform. The inverse transform Z transform is this, where C is the counterclockwise closed path encircling the origin and entirely in the region of convergence. In the case where the ROC is casual, this means the example C must path C must encircle all the poles of X in bracket Z. A special case of contour integral occurs when the C is a unit circle. This contour can be used when the ROC includes the unit circle, which is always guaranteed when x in bracket z is the stable, that is when all the poles are inside the unit circle. With this contour, the inverse z simplify the inverse discrete time Fourier transform or Fourier series of the periodic values of the z transform of the unit circle. Thank you.